art friends! On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I'm going to show you how I made this woven paper heart. Let's get started. For this painting, I'm going to be using a sponge. And the first paper, I'm going to paint only with the warm colors. So just red, orange, and yellow, and maybe a little bit of white. Okay, onto a second piece of paper with a clean sponge, and this time this painting is going to be all about the cool colors. So just green, blue, and purple. Once my paintings have had time to dry, I'm ready to trace this square on the back of my painting. It's important that this part is a perfect square so that the weaving part works out later. Then I'm going to add this half circle on top of my square, like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on the back of my other paper. Okay, now I'm going to cut these little barn shapes out. Next, I'm going to draw some straight lines down on the square. These are going to be the strips of paper that I'll be weaving with. So once I draw my straight lines, then I'm also going to cut on these. Okay, these are ready for weaving. So now I can start with my over-under pattern and make sure that the first row is the opposite of the next one. So I'm going to continue with the weaving like this. Once I've got my weaving tucked into place, then I'm going to use a couple of dots of glue to hold everything together. Last, I'm going to trim away these little edges. And there it is, a heart weaving. Can't wait to see the art you're making at home, friends. Please share it with me. Happy arting.